Several major companies are set to release earnings next week, offering fresh insight into their financial health and future outlook. BP will report second quarter results on Tuesday. Analysts expect earnings of $1.35 per share and revenue around $60 billion. Investors will be closely watching oil and gas output, capital expenditure plans, and updates on BP's transition to cleaner energy. The company faces pressure as energy prices fall, and its renewable strategy struggles to gain momentum. Rising debt and underperforming assets like Castrol are also in focus, as BP looks to stabilize its balance sheet. Also on Tuesday, Diageo will release full-year results. Despite being home to iconic brands like Johnnie Walker, Guinness, and Smirnoff, Diageo's shares are down nearly 25% in 2025, hitting levels last seen in 2016. The company has been hit by shifting drinking habits, inflation, and leadership uncertainty following the resignation of CEO Deborah Crew. Interim CEO Nick Giangiani is expected to report modest organic sales growth of 1.4% to $20.2 billion, with operating profits slipping slightly to $5.7 billion. Investors will be watching performance in key markets like the US and China, as well as updates on acquisitions and sustainability goals. Walt Disney reports on Wednesday. Analysts forecast earnings of $1.47 per share and revenue of $23.7 billion, a 2.4% increase year over year. Attention will focus on Disney's media networks, theme parks, and streaming services. With steady subscriber growth and improved park attendance, Disney is expected to show moderate earnings growth. A beat on expectations could boost the stock, especially if strength in core areas like Disney Plus and theme parks is evident. Also reporting Wednesday is Uber Technologies. Analysts expect earnings of 62 cents per share, up 31.9% from last year, with revenue forecast at $12.46 billion. Uber's ride-hailing and food delivery services remain key revenue drivers. The company has beaten expectations for 4 straight quarters, and another strong result could support the stock's momentum. However, investors will be looking at how Uber is managing competition, regulation, and global expansion. WPP will report second quarter results on Thursday. The advertising giant has had a tough year, with shares down nearly 50% and sitting at a 16-year low. A profit warning in June and weak performance in China have raised concerns. Analysts are looking for signs of stability in global markets and how WPP is adapting to industry changes, including the rise of AI and shifting client needs. The company has lowered its full-year forecast and expects a 3 to 5% decline in like-for-like sales. Leadership is also changing, with Cindy Rose set to take over as CEO in September. That wraps up the key earnings to watch this week. From energy and entertainment to advertising and tech, each of these reports could move the markets in a big way. Thanks for watching Finance Spot. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a breakdown on the biggest financial stories. See you in the next one.